Hey everyone, in today's video, we're going to see about a small tutorial about Saner.ai, which can act as your personal assistant. It can help you make notes, manage tasks, and emails, and similar to other jobs as well. So let's get started. I'm just starting with managing my notes, the option I'm selecting. Explain what kind of work do you do? Okay, I am a developer. Where can I click that? Engineering. Let's do this. Yeah. Okay. To tailor my support for you, do you have ADHD? Okay, let's say yes. I do have mild ADHD, I think. Awesome. Help me speak your language. How should I reply from now on? Casual. Too many questions. Okay, last one. How did you hear about Google? I just Googled. Perfect. Launch. Okay. So we can just start by asking it to make a note. Fine. Create your first note, import your files, sync calendar, emails. Okay, use. So it is simple. We can just directly import the file and ask it to make notes about it. Or we can just ask it to make a note, a voice note kind of, and it will help us to do it. What if we paste the link directly and it will do? So it is similar to Notebook LM, where it can help you make notes and you can create any flashcards. It will help in big time. So I just asked it to summarize this topic. So instead of giving me the entire PDF about it, it is going to give me like simple notes. So one thing is there that we need to give our material so that it can summarize it for us. It won't search online and give something for us. So I'm just going to use this option where I'm asking an online assistant whether it is going to help me or not. Okay, it just gave me the summary of it. So we have the data. It can search online for us. We don't need to perform the task. It can do it for us. If it is a general topic, we can ask it. If it is like domain specific, we need to feed our data. Yeah, this would be very useful for people who are in college or people who are starting their career. They don't have to go and refer online or getting so much resources and confused with which one to choose or which one to follow. This is like precise and clear in a single page. So I can prefer this app. Let's explore like what we can do with this. So if we specify the task, it will just act as a reminder, I guess. So we can use this as a task manager or something. And we have when you sync your emails and other stuff, it will be in here and you can just easily. So it is like everything in one page. You don't have to have it like separate app or tool. You can just link everything together and have this thing progress your performance properly. So yeah, it is mild and not too fancy, very limited, and it is not confusing anybody. Everything in one place and very clear in results also. So make use of it and share this video to people who are in the place of chaos, just trying to figure out like how to manage things, like collapsed with so many applications, tools, and tasks to manage. You can share this application with them. So I hope this video finds you well. See you all next video. Thanks. Bye.